It's so cold today. I need something to warm me up. But what? Oh, look! There is some turmeric over there. But what should I do? I have an idea. Hello, judges. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gusti Putu Harsha Sulastri Vaijayanti. You can call me Harsha. Now, I'm in my 6th grade. Do you guys know why I'm here? Because I want to show you how to make turmeric tamarin. Yes, turmeric tamarin, or at Indonesia, we usually call it KUNYIT asem. KUNYIT asem is a herbal drink from Indonesia that contains many turmeric and tamarin. What about you make a KUNYIT asem with me? Great! But first, let's prepare the ingredients, the tools, and watch me doing the step. For the ingredients, we need 100 grams of turmeric, 2 segments of kurkuma, 2 segments of white turmeric, 50 grams of brown sugar, 10 spoons of granulated sugar, 1 piece of keningar, 1 piece of cinnamon, and don't forget the tamarin, just sufficient. For the tools, we need stove, pan, pot, or you can use bowl, glass, teapot, strainer, ladle, and knife. Oh yeah, don't forget the cutting board. So, let's get into the first step. For the first step is wash the turmeric, kurkuma, and the white turmeric. After that, strain it and put it on the bowl so the water is not messy. After that, cut the kurkuma, turmeric, and the white turmeric into thin and oblique slices. And do you guys know, turmeric and kurkuma is really healthy for your body. It gives more antioxidant to your body, so you stay healthy. After that, pour all the water into the pan. After that, boil it on the stove. After it boiling, put all the ingredients into the pan. Be careful when using a stove. Only grown-up can use a stove. After all in, close the pan and wait for about 10 minutes or it's turning into yellow. But you don't need to wait because I already have the ready one. So, let's continue our steps. Then after that, pour all the water into the glass so you can drink it easily. And your KUNYIT asem is ready to be served. Now I'm warm. You can drink it while it's cold or warm. But when you drink it warm, make sure you be careful or your tongue is gonna be burned. Nggih, Bu. Sorry everyone, I need to help my mom to grocery shop to buy some spices. See you later everyone. Bye-bye.